Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I'm on with a really quick video today. As a little while ago I did a haul from craftsbuyer.com. Anyway, I'll put the link and the details down below in the description box. But they sent me a variety of wax seal stamping bits. So all of these gorgeous little wax beads, I guess they are. Little chunks, and a few different wax seal stamps. So you heat up a candle with your little spoon to put the wax beads in, heat them up till they melt, pour them out, put in your stamp, and you get gorgeous little wax seal stamps, a bit like this one here. Can't make it right now. Yeah, made with love, except I didn't. That's one that I think I put my finger on there. Made with love. Really cute. So I'm just here with a little project that I made with them because I've been working on my Christmas crackers. I just choose one that I like. So in the middle of my Christmas cracker, I decided to put a little wax seal stamp with some ribbon and some of this little glittery trim and a little label. And I think they're quite cute. So I was going for a bit of a red and blue theme. So that's this bow one here, and kind of a reddish but sort of off red, I guess, with the colour scheme. So the little bows have been coloured in. So I coloured them in using the pens that also came from Craftsbuyer. So a metallic colour pen, just so that the bows really show up. So we've got this one here. And we've got this one here. I've not filled them up yet, so we'll have to undo one of the ribbons and fill them up. I've got some the bit that goes bang and a little gift, and I need to get some jokes, won't I? To get some jokes and then make some party hats, which I'll probably just do with some tissue paper. So you can see I've got a whole set of little crackers ready to have over the Christmas period. Yeah, so that's what I have been playing around at the moment with wax seal stamps. Just wanted to try some different things with them. Let me know what you think. Check out the description box if you want to look at purchasing some yourself. They've got a whole range of different designs, so, you know, find one that you like. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.